the strength of Operations Hub in the presentation layer being that one single pane of glass that is presenting all of this information. What Operations Hub also does is there is a data layer that brings different data sources together. So what you see on this screen is information that may be coming from a variety of different systems. It doesn't have to be a single system. It could be a SQL database. It can be an ERP system that is sending in work orders. It could be a maintenance system that is giving maintenance information. The data layer of Operations Hub allows you to go and integrate with these different systems. And when it comes to the visualization, the operator really doesn't need to know where this information is coming from. They're looking at this information in a single context, which is the equipment, which is the asset, which is the line, which is the site. And the data layer of Operations Hub basically takes care of fetching that information and showing it in the right context, which is very important when it comes to taking the right actions fast and improving your productivity. So that's the strength of the tool that we are talking about here.